Guys, so today we're out here in Corpus Christi. We're gonna do a little bit of kayak fishing. I know last video I didn't get any fish at all, but this video for sure I don't want to disappoint you guys twice. So today I'm gonna make sure we get some fish. I'm here with my girlfriend, my dad, and we got a couple other people out here with us. So we're gonna do a little paddle. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro in a little bit. We're gonna do the paddle. It's a little windy out here, so I'm sorry about the wind noise. We're gonna do the paddle, and then we're gonna start fishing. You know, just up the creek right here. Probably start with some live bait, live shrimp, and then we're gonna switch over to some hard baits. We got the hard baits in here. I'll show you guys. Some hard baits. Stay tuned. By the time we get back, yeah, we're gonna be getting out over there by the grass, pretty much. Which is gonna be. What's up, guys? So I'm out here on the water already. As you can see, we're gonna start kayaking towards our spot. About a 2-mile kayak. We got it going on. You can see we got the group here. We want to get into kayak fishing. I mean, it's a really good sport. Just on some windier days like this, it is a little bit harder to go. I mean, but as long as you work out, you got some endurance in you, and you got it, guys. See, we got a little bit of struggle over here. We're in the reeds right now. We got it. We're gonna stay along this shoreline right here. Just keep paddling. All right. So how are you guys doing today? Drop down a comment down in the video. Let me know how you guys are doing. How your day went. What type of fish you guys like fishing for? What's your favorite recipe for fish? You know. Let me know what you guys like to eat. I don't know, talk to me, guys, in the comments. Know how your day's going. As you can see, I'm still paddling out here. 2-mile paddle, not gonna be the easiest paddle. We are going towards the wind right now. It is gonna be a little hard. This is what it's about. This is what life's about, guys. Just keep going, keep pushing. Push through it. We'll be all right. All right, there you go. Now we're moving. Now we're going, guys. I'll probably take on a little bit of water here. A little bit of wake. Here it is, guys. This is a workout, you guys. Guess we're going this way. Guys, so the current's a little bit harder up here. Taking on a little bit of water. Just want to relax. You don't want to get overly excited. You want to keep on going. All right, guys. Well, I'll get back to you guys when I start fishing. All right, guys. So I forgot to record here. Got a little red here.
You got it. You got it.
Got a red here. I'm gonna go ahead and measure it.
Might be the hard way.
We're gonna take it off the hook here. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so you can see here, got a little red. It's about like it's 16 inches. Let's go ahead and give it a measure right here on the side of this kayak. You want to get it right here, this in here. As you can see, oh, it's close, 14 inches. We got a little release here. Nice little fish. Let's get it out of here. We got the PFG over here. We got the old man over there. So guys, I've only gotten on one fish so far today. We're trying to go for more. Oh, boom, we crashed. Happens in life, guys. Whoa, hey, chill out, chill out. Dang, I can't turn. I couldn't turn. There it is. There's some shallow water right here, maybe 1 foot. We're gonna find these fish. We gotta find these fish. There's one right there.